Deep in the frozen wastelands of Antarctica, there is a massive glacier that appears to be bleeding. A bright crimson waterfall flows directly out of the pure white ice. Known as blood falls, this bizarre natural anomaly isn't a crime scene or an environmental disaster. It originates from a secret subglacial lake completely sealed away from the world for 2 million years. This ancient trapped water is incredibly rich in iron. When it finally breaches the icy surface, it hits the oxygen and instantly rusts, creating a spectacular blood-red cascade in the middle of a frozen desert. Follow for more.